This is how to assemble the ERA100 Premium Floor stand. First, let's check what's in the box. 2 baseplate screws, 1 speaker screw, 1 tube connector, 4 floor spikes, 4 felt feet, 1 speaker holder, 1 baseplate, 2 aluminum tubes, and 1 screw cap. Please be reminded that only one product is shown in this video. For the twin pack, your order will include twice the quantity of each part. Now let's start assembling the floor stand. Start by removing the baseplate screws from the aluminum tube. Then insert the speaker's power cable through the baseplate and through the first aluminum tube. Next, insert the tube connector, then continue threading the cable through it. Continue guiding the cable through the second aluminum tube. Once the cable is through, connect the 2 sections. After that, connect the aluminum tube to the baseplate, then lock it in place with the baseplate screws. You can install the provided floor spikes at this point for added stability and aesthetic appeal. Or you can use the provided felt feet for smoother flooring types. Attach the speaker holder to the aluminum tube. Next, connect the power cable and place the speaker on the stand. Then, lock the speaker in place with the provided screws. Lastly, cover the screw with the included screw cap. This floor stand has a total height of 44 inches or 1,117.5 millimeters from the bottom of the stand to the top of the speaker.